Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Google Pixel 8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this app, or you can click not now. And your Firefox is now all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.